physics problems, very interesting ones. My name is Sara and I will guide you through this video. Now, let's see what we have to do here. Let's read the task first. An object is moving along a straight line. The graph shows the object's position from the starting point as a function of time. Okay, now as we have observed the graph, let's head on onto the first question. In which segment or segments of the graph does the object's average velocity measured from t equals 0 seconds decrease with time? So, in order to understand this question, we have to look at our graph first. We have to find out in which segments does the velocity decrease. As we can see, in segment AB, the object is moving. It moved for 10 meters in 1 second. That obviously means that the velocity had increased, so it is not the solution to this question because we are looking for velocity decrease. In segment BC, the object comes to a stop. How do we know that? We just have to look at the graph. The object was at the point of 10 meters for 1 second, which means its velocity was 0, therefore it decreased. This is definitely a solution, but let's observe the next segment. In this segment, CD, the object moved for 30 meters for 3 seconds. That means that its velocity increased again, so this is not the solution. In the last segment, segment DE, the body moved backwards. How do we know that? Well, from the position of 40 meters, body went to the initial position in 1 second. Using the velocity formula, we will realize that velocity is negative because the body moved backwards. So, as we sum up our observation, segments BC and DE contain velocity decrease. The right answer to this question is E. The next question regarding the graph is: what was the instantaneous velocity of the object at the 4th second? We need to find the instantaneous velocity in the 4th second. How do we do that? Simply by using the formula as shown in the picture. In the picture, we divided the change in position by the change in time, and we got this result. The velocity at the point of the 4th second is 10 meters per second. Third part of this graphic problem asks us, in which segment or segments of the graph does the object have this highest speed? Well, this is an easy one. But first, we have to make difference between speed and velocity. Velocity has direction and magnitude, while speed has only magnitude. Yes, you are right. Speed is scalar and velocity is vector quantity. So let's look at our graph. We immediately see that the line DE is the longest, even when we don't think of this as a task, but simply as some picture. Line DE is the longest, so could it be our solution? Let's see. If the car drove 40 meters in 1 second, was it fast? Yes, it was. By looking at the graph, this is the highest speed because the biggest displacement happened in the most little time. So our correct answer is segment D. Unfortunately, we are getting to the end of our task. I think this is the question that you can answer by yourself. I will let you read it and show you the graph to think. Turn on your logic and I will be back in a while to show you if you were right or wrong. Yes, you were right. Of course, the correct answer is 5 seconds. Thank you for watching this video.